Is your engine stalling out or refusing to start, and you are staring at a P0627 code on your scanner? That is a frustrating spot to be in, but we are going to get to the bottom of it right now. This is a generic powertrain code found in many BD2 vehicles, from Fords and Jeeps to Toyotas and Chevys. Basically, a P0627 means there is an open circuit in the control system for fuel pump AU. Your fuel pump is the heart of your fuel system, and the control circuit is the brain that tells it when to turn on and off based on what you are doing with the gas pedal. If that circuit is open, the signal is lost and your engine gets no fuel. The symptoms can be pretty obvious. Aside from the check engine light, your engine might crank just fine but refuse to start. Or it might start but then immediately die. In some cases, you might experience severe misfires, stalling while driving, or a noticeable drop in fuel economy. It is a moderately severe issue because driving with intermittent fuel delivery can actually damage your engine. So what causes this? Usually, it is not the pump itself, but the wiring. We are looking for severed or damaged ground wires, loose connections, or melted connectors. It could also be a problem with the controller area network, or CAN bus, or even a fault in the powertrain control module, though that is less common. Before you start ripping parts out, check for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model, as this can save you hours of work. For troubleshooting, start by visually inspecting the wiring harness near the fuel tank. These wires live a hard life exposed to road debris and weather. Look for green corrosion on the connectors. You should also check your ground circuits. A quick trick is to use an auxiliary ground cable to see if the pump starts working. If it does, your original ground is bad. If that checks out, you will need a multimeter and a wiring diagram to trace the specific control wire for brakes. If you find a brake, solder it back together and heat shrink it. If you are not comfortable with electrical diagrams, this is the time to take it to a professional. But if the light stays off after a week of driving, you have likely solved the problem.